Best wishes from, best wishes from, best wishes from.
Hi girls, it's Saturday. You're my guest in this video.
Oh, bitch slapped me. Veel spanning.
En dat je van je hebt om je te relaxen.
Ik word er misselijk van.
Breek hem even.
Ik heb toch wel iets?
Nee. Oh yeah. Dit wordt toch niks meer zo. Close up. Monday, 25th of May. It's Towel Day in celebration of, no, not in celebration, in remembrance of the writer of The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Stop mocking me. It's called Towel Day for a reason. It means that you have to carry around a towel, yes, a towel, the entire day.
Ik ben van de protsema.
This is dirty.
Oh,
Okay. Like this. Because if you are a hitchhiker, hitchhiking through the galaxy, you need your towel. Because if someone sees that you have a towel, they automatically assume that you also have a toothbrush, like a sleeping bag, everything you need to go hitchhiking. So they'll take you with them. Very important. So don't forget your towel. You should always know where your towel is. Give them some good advice. Good advice is don't panic.
Don't panic.
Don't panic. As always, best wishes!
En 1 keer roept hij.
Stop.
Kom maar.
Nou, score. Volgens mij ben ik zo niet in beeld hoor.
Jawel joh.
Helemaal niet.
Jawel joh.
De camera
Schuift die reet al een stukje naar rechts. Dan ben ik lekker in beeld, wil je zeggen.
Kom. Zijn quotes.
Dat heb ik quote jongens, dat heb ik quote. Ik heb ze allemaal opgeschreven op een briefje voor
Helemaal
mij.
niet. Een onopvallend.
Onopvallend. Ik leg hem hier neer. We hebben geen briefje. We praten vanaf nu en anglais.
Good morning, Hank.
Good morning. Who the F is Hank?
Who the F is Hank? Hank is a sausage covered in cornbread batter and deep fried.
That's it.
Grammar fail. You've been Edgar Allan Poe.
Cow. I win. Score. Indrieus. Zombies.
You know
Okay.
what?
What's next?
All we are is monkeys with pants. Er staat een uitroepteken achter.
More elf. Wat een elf dan?
Wat is een elf? Een elf is gewoon een elf. Okay, so I want to know.
We wanna know. We.
No, I want to know. I'm asking you.
Oh,
What's your opinion on reindeer?
I don't like reindeer. They seem like regular deer, only more dangerous. Dat was toch goed? God, I love rainbows.
Oh, dat was helemaal goed. Wat doe je nou? Rock on.
Ik heb het heus wel geleerd.
Zo. East side, west side.
Man of YouTube, you're freaking me out. You're freaking me out.
So if you want to know who she is, the link will be in the sidebar. I'm good at finger mustaches, but I'm terrible at remembering where the sidebar is. Wasp!
Burning up. What's the F?
Oh, bug.
Break.
Dead, you monster!
Hank, I'll see you tomorrow.
John, I'll see you tomorrow.
Cover yourself.
What's your opinion on deer?
I don't like reindeer. They
Oh,
just
I said deer! Crap. Crap hurts.
too rebellious fucking.